empty seats. Thank you, y'all, for the, hey, Ellen, thank you so much for the lights. There were empty seats. So here's my box. I'm just putting that in there. And then I'm going to take the soap, put it off to one side. And then, again, they've got the 3 body butters. I'm going to just see if I can stack these. I don't think they go, yep, they go just like that. As you can see, I don't know why I don't show y'all more of that. See that? Can y'all see? There you go. So, they got 3 soaps and 3 body butters. And y'all listen, the feedback coming from the event that we did on Wednesday. So, I did a couple of Black History Month events. And one was a pretty last minute. See, I'm good with last minute. Try it again. One was a last minute pop up, and it was pop up with a captive audience where a local company, a local warehouse, invited in some area businesses for Black History Month to have a pop up for their employees. And they had 700 employees. And you know what we did? We went to ChatGPT and said, oh my God, how do we do something for 700 employees, you know, with a week's notice? And when I tell you, it was awesome. It was absolutely awesome. Everything worked out amazingly. We took enough product. Well, you know how that goes. It was awesome. And if you, I knew I was missing one. Where'd it go? If you are trying to figure out what to do out here in these streets, who is this? I feel like I dropped a label. But I think I'm going to have to reprint because I don't see it. And I see a couple of them over here. Let's see. This is hers, I know that. Which I'm trying to confirm that one. Where's the other one here? I'm not going to look too much. I'm going to just reprint it. So, the feedback has been awesome from that event. So, and if y'all don't know what I'm doing, I'm shipping. I'm trying to ship, y'all. I'm trying to ship. And these are orders that I sit to the side when they come through. The regular orders I can just zoom through, but these, when they have, like, of course these are the body butter ones. Soap orders. If you had a soap order, hey Mr. Radio, thanks for swiping back through. If you have a soap order, those are all gone. These were some body butter, but then these are delayed, so I still have to do to this weekend's orders. And nothing about that place we went to dinner last night, there are no leftovers. I never thought about, I guess if you were to cook more, but it's so much work trying to eat. I don't think so. We were gonna grab some sushi from this other place after realizing that they were in that same shopping center. All right, let me see if I can find this one. I feel like I searched for this one already. I need me an old movie. You ever want to watch this, an old black and white movie? I found a channel the other day. that was playing some old black and white movies. Cause sometimes I just be going, let me just do somebody else's problems. You know what I mean? It's like hey Danita, let me get with somebody else's problem. Cause mine's is too much. Y'all know what I'm saying? Like let me just deal with somebody. I got the problems I have are good problems to have. You want these problems. You see what I'm saying? This is all about demand. I got good problems. But y'all want me some collard. What am I gonna have for dinner? I had a wonderful breakfast. I've just come to the conclusion that I just need the budget to eat out. Because I'm not cooking. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really would love to have some oxtails on in there, some collard greens. Ain't no food. I don't smell no food up in here. Why I don't smell no food up in here? Okay, and this one I need a packing slip. Where's her packing slip? Because something, unless I already did. In fact, I probably should check and see if that one is in route. Maybe I printed this one twice. Let me double check and make sure this one ain't in route before I do it again. I don't know. How do y'all eat? Because being an open nester, formerly empty nesters, they say. Thank you, Black Cherokee. I think I reprinted this one yesterday. Oh, damn, that's way back. I'm scared to watch this. Did y'all see the, last weekend they had this marathon on with these 1900 scary movies? Movies that had no technology. I was like, what the what? I might ship this order twice because I don't know. For some reason. And then it make you wonder, like, I feel like I did this one. It says in transit. Let me see if it's out of the area, because I know I did this one. I think I was trying to reprint this one. Let me see. Where is it? Is it out of the city? Let me see. Oh, this thing is done. I don't need this one. It says it is in, it's about to be out for delivery. Okay, I printed this one twice. It's at the facility. Okay. Alrighty, so I must have was trying to print this one. This is the one I need. Alright then. Thank you. See, that's why you gotta check because I was gonna ship that again. I'm like, I know I did that order. Scissors. What my scissors go again? Ooh, child. Here's a question. Have I discouraged anybody from getting any ideas? Because that's my goal. Have I discouraged anybody from getting any ideas? I keep telling y'all, don't get no ideas. And listen, I'm excited and I'm having a ball. I am meeting some amazing people. But I'm just saying, don't get no ideas. Yes, this is an amazing life. It's an amazing experience. But child, look, mess around and forget to put something in that order. Like, did I get them a sample? Hold on. Yep. Okay, I'm just saying. Mess around and get somebody that don't watch social media. And they don't know that you done poured all your blood, sweat, and tears into that thing. Child, yeah, take you out. But wait, y'all didn't give me the story about the Peach McIntyre girl. She said, look, Andrea come here. Andrea was trying to get her stuff. She wasn't thinking about what we were talking about. Damn, I done went through this tape. I love this tape, y'all. Now, I know somebody will always tell me, I don't know why you don't get this kind of tape, that kind of tape, and this and that and the other kind of thing, and da-da-da. But when I tell you I love this little roll right here, and that's the thing, you got to understand, just like a junkie, they like what they like, okay? And you can't do a damn thing about it. Kyle and Miss Pretty Brown Dog, that's Yolanda. That's my namesake right there, y'all. Now, let me tell you, I told you, y'all, we doing any of this TikTok shopping. Remember I said, go over there and watch. I will leave a TikTok and go see if my girl is promoting it. When them people be posting all that stuff, I'm like, oh, let me go see if she got it. You got to be out here with some alliances and some allegiance. If you don't, you just spending money. You got to follow her. Put out some emojis, girl. Put some stars up. If you still in here, look, if she ain't left out. Put some emojis up. So everybody know that that's where you go get your tick. Shop her shop. She picks out some really nice stuff. She give you some real honest reviews, okay? So make sure when y'all are out here shopping, don't just be spending your money with what TikTok throw on your timeline. Go see if your true tribe people are doing it. All right, what's next? Whew, child, tired. Okay, wait. We only got 2 more before we start on the regular week order. All right. Actually, this is the last one. The other 2 are the 2 where's her thing? Okay. Wait, no, we gotta get Miss Lady right here. Together. Because this one, she has 2 in 1. I was gonna change her thing. Okay. I don't know which one of these I'm gonna use, but she has 2 orders. And one of these was just 1 soap. So I need to check to see. It'll charge me back anyway, so. All right. What was she missing? All right, so she had, speaking of subscriptions, she subscribed Black Writer Space. Welcome in. So she subscribed to our turmeric and charcoal. Our sensitivity soaps. You can start a subscription with the sensitivity soaps outside of the Shower Lovers Club. With those are ones that I make specifically based on what's forecasted. That's why when y'all try to go and check out a couple of soaps and they are sold out, it's because there are some soaps that people put on auto delivery, right? And that's a subscription. So she started an auto delivery of the 2 charcoal and honey. Then she went down the list of the minis. So she got a clean slate mini, which I already have some here. She got a Teakwood Fresh mini. And then she got an Orange Paradise mini, which I made a couple of those. Orange Paradise mini. And then she did the Fruity Fresh mini, which I have right here. Fruity Fresh mini. And then she had a Coffee Shop mini. All right. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. She did 5 minis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then she also added a separate order of a flower shop. Is it just one flower shop? And because she was so patient, actually her coffee shop I upgraded. because that's in here.